Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rebuild a Husqvarna lawn tractor mower spindle. The bearing here is a little noisy, so I'm going to put a new bearing in. I'll show you how to do that. Yeah, that's noisy. Okay, I'm going to take this nut off. If you don't have an impact gun, jam a piece of wood underneath there and take a 22 mil socket and take that off. So to rebuild these, you don't have to take these off your mower deck. So put the nut back like halfway in, put your socket back on top here, one here. It usually takes a little more force than that, but that comes in pretty good. Here's the mower deck. And remove that. Do it again, I'm gonna hold it this time. So make sure this shaft is nice and clean. This what this one is. You can use sandpaper to clean it. So I'm gonna put a new bearing in here. This underneath here. Nice and quiet. I'm gonna use a punch. Put it on an angle. The other side. So anyway, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.